Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to cover the new DOP Mainnet Airdrop. I'm going to give you my tutorial step by step on how you can participate on this airdrop. And like always in my videos, we go a little bit into the project and I tell you my reasons why I think this could be an under the radar mainnet airdrop and the possibilities that you will have for make a good earning from this airdrop. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's get into it. Hi crypto fans, well, the DOP Mainnet Airdrop is live. DOP is a short for Data Ownership Protocol and aims to redefine paradigms by enabling user-owned data, empowering users to selectively disclose their on-chain activities, and leveraging ZK snarks and ECDSA. DOP allows users to curate the information they share regarding their asset holdings and transactions while maintaining interoperability with Ethereum dApps and liquidity. DOP aims to empower individuals and businesses with unprecedented control over their data through selective transparency and zero-knowledge cryptography. So important points about this airdrop and this project is that the company was founded in 2022 with offices in Japan, Pakistan and Tel Aviv, and they mentioned that their team spans the globe, including private hubs like Dubai, Portugal and Poland. We already have a testnet airdrop before and a pre-sale of the token, but we cannot transfer them yet until the CX listing. So right now I have my testnet airdrop tokens. We covered that airdrop before, and as a testnet airdrop participant you will be able to buy some of the tokens on that private sale, but right now we cannot move the funds. We need to stay and wait for the CX and DX's listings in order to have liquidity and unlock the possibility to transfer the token. For the testnet, one important point is that 545,000 were participate on that, and from my perspective it's not a huge number, and the testnet was a free participation, so we got those tokens for free. Now the mainnet is a different thing because it's in Ethereum, so the fees are higher and you also need to pay a fee for using the application to encrypt and decrypt. Now regarding the specific points of this mainnet info, there's going to be a 2% of the total supply airdropped divided in two instances. The first one is the one that we are going to cover now, and it's the one that is active. So this is a point system that for every dollar worth of assets you encrypt, you will get 1 point earned, and you will get 0.5 points for every $1 that you decrypt. Transfer transactions will earn 20 points for the sender, and there will be social badges that can give you points too. Staking DOP will increase your points, but that is not yet allowed and live, so we need to wait for that staking functionality. That is going to be great for the point system. And having one of the NFTs road to mainnet will be a 20% multiplier of your points, so that is a very big advantage if you have one of those NFTs of a previous Galaxy campaign. And when it comes to fees, charge sheet for encrypting and decrypting crypto assets and NFTs, 70% will be used to buy back and burn DOP tokens, reducing the number in circulation as demand continues to rise. The remaining 25% will be used to incentivize stakers. So I think the use of the fee is actually to reduce the number of tokens on circulation, which I think is great, and for the incentivize of the stake. And you will be able to claim your hard-earned rewards by completing a proof of humanity process. So this is probably a KYC, so you will not be able to farm this easily, and in this case I don't recommend it. The same happened on the testnet. Some wallet, I think it was randomly selected, needed to complete a KYC. It wasn't my case, but it could happen if you do this in multiple airdrops, so you are risking a lot. Hey crypto fans, as airdrop hunters and crypto enthusiasts, we are constantly in risk of being scammed from protocols and people that want to drain our wallets and enter into our computers. That is why we partner with Proxy Seller for our proxy services, and the great about their services is that you can select many crypto-friendly countries, and you can even mix a package of different countries for your proxy services. You can select many of the different proxy options, including your residential proxies. And it's super easy to get it. You just select the country, then you can put the amount of proxies that you want. Let's say that I am farming with 10 wallets. Just click on buy, and here on redeem code you can put a referral CCS15, and you can see how the price downs a 15% for all these proxy services and 10% for residential services. So don't wait anymore, be safe as an airdrop hunter and crypto enthusiast, so you are always in control when you are online. Use our CCS15 refer code, and first link in the description is your link to get your proxies with us and Proxy Seller. Now going to the step by step, the first thing that you need to do is connect to the DOP application and create your wallet. You will need a web wallet that you are going to create in their own website. And using a referral will give you 100 points as soon as you do your first encrypt of funds. So that is why this link is with the referral of the channel. If you use it, you help us also on this airdrop, but if you don't want to use it, it's fine anyway. So going to the link, you will be sent here to the application, but in my case, I am already connected, so I will disconnect from my wallet. And when you go here, you will need to create your wallet for first time. Of course, you will have a seed phrase and you will need to put the password. So once you come back here, you will just need to enter with the password and connect in your wallet. But besides having a wallet here on DOP, you will need to connect your MetaMask if you want to unlock it. So once you are inside, you will see this. It's very straightforward, very minimalistic, so it's very easy to understand. The first point that you need to do here is you have to encrypt. Like we mentioned, it's 1 point per dollar that you spend here. You then can decrypt and here you can send. So for encrypt, it's easy. You just need to be connected with your Ethereum wallet, and let's say that I want to send Ethereum. This is going to be rapid and unwrapped when you do the decrypt, but basically here you just need to put the amount of Ethereum that you want to encrypt. Here you will be swapping Ethereum to wrap Ethereum, confirm any transaction, and now you just need to click on encrypt. This is going to confirm the transaction. You can see the fee is 0.1%. You need to approve in the wallet that is connected. Now confirm the transaction to encrypt, and you can see successfully encrypted. You can close this or see your history, and you can see how much I have in my balance. You can see this is the DOP address, so I can copy this address and you can use it to send or receive funds. The next thing that you need to do is decrypt, which is basically the same that you just did. So I can decrypt my wrap Ethereum. So here you put your address and you can decrypt the tokens. So click on confirm and you will need of course to pay the transaction. So successfully decrypted. So I will close this, and now I should have my Ethereum back into my wallet, which you can see here is fine. When you decrypt, automatically you will get your wrap Ethereum into Ethereum again. So with that, you just saw how I encrypt and decrypt. Once you encrypt, what you should be doing is send here the asset. So I already decrypt my assets, but you should be selecting one, the amount that you want to send and the address that you want to send that. Remember here you need to put the DOP wallet address, not your MetaMask address. So those three things are the three basic actions that you will get, and with that you will get points. But of course the cons of doing this is that you are paying a lot on gas fees with Ethereum. It's not cheap, so that is why I would recommend you to really use volume. Try to move above $1,000 on this encrypt and decrypt to get your point. Now another thing that you can do, and if you want to send me some funds, here is my wallet of DOP. So if you want to buy me a coffee, you can send me something there. The next point is that you can complete social badges, and that is here. When you go to badges, you will see that some of them are social, like joining to the DOP Telegram. Follow them on X. You also can join the server, and here you have two that maybe you want to do it or maybe not. One is to complete a KYC badge and the other is an email verification. Like I say, probably when you claim your tokens you will get to do a KYC, so if you are okay with that, complete these two badges. Another ones that you can do is regarding how much you encrypt and how much you send. So above $1,000 value you will be able to get this badge, and if you send 50 times or more you will be able to get this one. And because of the multipliers of the NFT campaign Road to the Mainnet, you will be able to get one of those badges that give you a percentage of bonuses on your points for this airdrop. And lastly, you have a referral. So if you are using a referral from someone, you will get 100 points as soon as you do your first encrypt of funds. So if you use a referral to join the DOP, you will have those 100 points. And if you share your referral, you will get a 10% of reward. So you can share the referral in a private Discord if you are there, because like you know, I have a private Discord where we manage high level of information about airdrops, all the claimings, so you don't miss any of those tokens, all the new airdrops that we are farming there, and all the strategies like we mentioned with Boris in our last live stream, exactly what airdrops we are doing and what strategies, because not everyone is doing the same airdrops here. So if you want to compare strategies and see what get you more money on airdrops, you can join our private Discord. And if you want to do like me, farming with 10 or 20 wallets, then my application is going to help you a lot. I use it in daily basis, and actually I don't spend too much farming airdrop, even if I am in 100 of airdrops right now. So you can check my app here on these videos on how it works, and you can even get notifications on your email right now on the tasks and airdrops that you need to do. So join my community. We have alpha people there that will help you a lot if you are new into crypto and airdrop. And if you are an experienced airdrop hunter, you will find super valuable information on my Discord and my app. Well guys, that will be all for this airdrop. The new DOP Mainnet Airdrop is here. You can already start to get your points. And before we leave, like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.